Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DocuSign. This will be a complete tutorial. If you're a beginner and have no idea what this is, I will give you a complete introduction. I will also provide a practical, step-by-step tutorial. DocuSign is a popular platform that lets you sign documents electronically. It is faster and more efficient than printing, signing by hand, and scanning papers. In this video, I will walk you through the basic steps of using DocuSign. By the end of this video, you will know how to upload a document, add recipients, place signatures, fill in details, and send your document for signing. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to create an account. It will take just 10 to 20 seconds. If you already have an account, you can skip this step. To create an account, click on Try for Free or Get Started with e-signature. Enter your email address. Click on I agree and continue. Now, add your first name and last name. Enter your phone number and click Next. Make sure you enter your name correctly, as it will be used in your signature. You can always change it later. Next, you will receive a verification code via email. Go to your email inbox and copy the code. You can also confirm using the link in the email. Enter the verification code and click Next. Now, create a password. Enter your password and click Next. Your account is now set up. If you are using DocuSign for the first time, you will need to select your industry. For example, you can select Business Services and Consulting. Next, choose why you signed up. For example, I want to send a document for signature. Click Next. If you have a team, you can invite them to collaborate. Otherwise, click Skip for now. Now, the setup is complete. Click Explore Sending or Next. If you skipped this step, you will now see your DocuSign dashboard. Click New or Start to begin. From the drop-down menu, choose Send an envelope. This option allows you to upload a document for signatures. Click Next. Your document will start uploading. You can also drag and drop your document into the Upload section. If your document is stored in Google Drive, Dropbox, or another cloud service, you can upload it from there. Now, let's add recipients. If you are the only signer, select Only Me. If you need multiple people to sign, add their names and email addresses. Click Add Recipient. For example, I am sending this document to Ron. If more than one person needs to sign, add them here. Make sure you enter their email addresses correctly. Next, choose the recipient role. You can set them as Needs to Sign, Receives a Copy, or In-Person Signer. You can also add a password for security. If you need to send the document to many people, use the Import Bulk List option. However, this requires a paid plan. Now, write a subject and message for the email. For example, please sign and send back. If you need signatures in a specific order, set the signing sequence. Click Next. Now, you will see the document editor. On the left, you will find signature, initials, date, and other fields. Drag and drop a signature field where you need a signature. Assign the signature field to the correct recipient. For example, Ron signs here and Sam signs there. You can also add a date, name fields, or custom text fields. If you need to add a company stamp, drag the stamp field to the document. Each recipient has a different color code for easy tracking. Once everything is set up, click Send. The document will be emailed to the recipients. DocuSign will guide them through the signing process. Recipients will receive clear instructions. You can also add a personal message in the email. Now, let's check the document status. Go to the DocuSign dashboard. Here, you can track the status of each document. For example, if an email address is incorrect, you will see a delivery failure message. You can correct the email and resend the document. If recipients haven't signed yet, you can send reminders. Once signed, the completed document is stored in your DocuSign account. Now, let's look at the pricing plans. Click on View Plans. If you use DocuSign regularly, you may need an upgraded plan. There are different plans for personal use, business, and real estate. For large teams, you can contact sales for a custom plan. Now, let's recap. We covered how to create an account, upload a document, add recipients, place signatures, send documents, and track them. DocuSign makes signing documents easy and eliminates the need for paper. You can complete business transactions from anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, explore more features like templates and bulk sending. Thanks for watching. Happy signing, and don't forget to subscribe.